Welcome to my unboxing of the Armytek Elf C2 rechargeable multi-flashlight. So as you can see, it came in a cardboard box, relatively good quality material. Unboxing it at the top reveals a plastic tray. Nothing else in the box, put that to the side. The very first thing is a user manual in multiple languages. Now you can see the head mount band. There's a string strap and what looks like a clip and some O-rings. In here, I presume is the flashlight itself, packed in a foam sleeve. It feels quite heavy. It's got like a matte finish. Almost feels like it could be aluminium or metal. So quite heavy, quite durable feeling to it. It's a fairly simple design, but there's a micro USB port. I won't flash this in your face. It doesn't seem to come with a charge, so I can't show you that. This particular version is the warm light variety. You do get this in a cool light variety as well. The warm light variety has a maximum brightness of 980 lumens. However, I believe the cool light goes over 1000. So yeah, that is the unboxing. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, so after initial inspection and reading of the instructions, this is just a magnet for you to attach to a metal object. It did look as if the battery didn't come with a charge initially, but it actually has. So if you unscrew this section here, it also shipped with a battery inside. Let me show you. So it came with a 18650 Li-ion battery, rechargeable. And this is of course charged through the micro USB port over here. So after opening that up and removing the cover of the terminal, you now see that it does come on. And to flick between the different modes, you just long hold this button. As you can see, and it cycles through. The other thing I didn't mention or didn't show properly is the head strap. So this is how it looks unfolded. It does have a clip over here ready for you to attach your flashlight to, and then secured by this elastic band across the front. It also came with a little lanyard. The lanyard looks like this, and this section here I'm assuming will attach to the flashlight itself. I hope this unboxing and quick overview is helpful. Thank you. That's the Armytek Elf C2 with micro USB charger.